Hi, and welcome to the Coding Dojo, the place where we practice our coding skills. Come on in, please have a seat. This series of episodes is all about refactoring, one of the most important skills a software developer should possess. For me, it's a fact. Refactoring completely changed the way I approach software development. It changed my life. It may as well change yours. By the way, I'm Dr. Code, and I'll be your instructor. Oh, and as you've noticed, we are not alone here. Besides you and me, we also have Grouchy. Hello. Grouchy is a software veteran. He's been writing software since the 70s. He's seen it all, and he's a little stubborn, though deep inside, he's open to new ideas. Newbie.
Welcome.
He is fresh out of college. He's about to start his first job as a software developer, and he's very excited about that. And Sharp.
Hi.
Well, she is Sharp, a talented developer with 5 years of experience. They will ask the hard questions and take part in the discussion. Now, you may ask yourself, why are we all animated characters?
Whoa, wait a minute. What do you mean by animated characters? Are you suggesting we're not real?
Oh, trust me, I'm 100% real.
I'm so sorry, I had no clue you're not aware. We are all, including me, just thoughts and ideas in the minds of our creators and viewers. If you think about it, there are many advantages in being animated characters. For a start, we will never get old.
Whoa, that's an interesting thought.
So, where was I? Oh, I was just saying that you may ask yourself, why are we all animated characters? Why not just a regular green screen video or even a simple recorded presentation? Well, the answer is that, just like with a software project, we think of this video as a living product. We want to be able to make changes and improvements based on your feedback. With animation, there is no need for a studio or for long recording days. We just change the script and voila, there's a new version of the video. Actually, the script of this video is by itself an open source project. If you have suggestions for how to improve these videos, you are more than welcome to make changes to the script and submit a pull request. Alternatively, you can also open a new issue on the GitHub project with your suggestion, and we will make the necessary adjustments to the script. If your request is approved, it will be included in the next version of the video. So, shall we start?